I tell you that one day they're coming to my house. They're gonna knock the door down and pull me screaming out. They'll put a bag over my head and throw me in the trunk and drive me to God knows where. You know it happens every day. Like a disease, they're all onto the teeth. Once you think I'm joking, I could not be more serious. Don't you find it strange that we live in this age of no real beauty and no mystery? Not like in the old days, no, not like in the past. They cut you a little slack